Let's say tour of the, I believe, first? I can't remember the name. Crossing. First we have a Wabco base. The lock here is made by Reiko. The gate mechanism is a Wabco Model 75. Here's the counterweight arm, the Wabco logo. Here's all the brackets are Wabco with unmarked. Which one is? But the ones up there actually are. The ones up here are Modern Industries, or a Modern Industry. Right down there, WRS mechanical belt. Now we sweep for an opening in the road. No cars coming. We're good.
Crossing?
Yep. Alright. Here's the other signal. It has a safe tran base, surprisingly. Right on the base cover. One safe tran. A Wabco Model 75 gate mechanism. On a Wabco bracket, probably Wabco 12x24. So I'm gonna get a better angle. The sun's really, it's bad. There's the crossbuck and 2 track sign. Oh yeah, emergency information. The dot number is 756-020-B. And the bell is another WRS mechanical bell. We head over to the relay case. It's a older relay case. No markings, but this is from what I can see. A bunch of cups on the tracks. This portion of the track's actually abandoned, surprisingly. Here's track view facing towards more downtown Medford, and some other crossings that we're going to check out. Oh yeah, and Grants Pass in Eugene, California. Oh, Eugene, Oregon. Sorry. Here's looking towards Phoenix, Ashland, Hornbrook, and eventually the terminus. That's really it. Adios, I guess.